Once upon a time, a small puppy lived in a quiet town. The puppy was brown, with big eyes and a short tail. One morning, the puppy followed a butterfly and went too far from home. Soon, the puppy looked around and did not know the way back. He was lost and felt a little scared. In the town, a girl named Emma was playing outside. She saw the puppy near the park and said, "Oh no, you look lost." Emma gave the puppy some water and a piece of bread. The puppy wagged his tail and barked happily. Emma decided to help him find his home. They walked together down the street, asking people if they knew the puppy. An old man said, "I saw this puppy near the bakery this morning." Emma and the puppy ran to the bakery quickly. At the bakery, the kind baker said, "Yes, this puppy lives in the yellow house at the end of the road." The puppy barked loudly, as if he understood. Emma and the puppy went to the yellow house. A little boy opened the door and shouted, "Max, you are back!" The boy hugged the puppy tightly, and the puppy licked his face. Emma smiled and felt happy that she helped. The boy said, "Thank you, Emma. You are a true friend." From that day, Emma often visited the puppy to play with him. The puppy was never lonely again, and Emma had a new best friend.